Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Skype issues. So now to find a solution about Skype issues, you should just go to settings. After that you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of Skype and you will click. After that in this page app info you will enter to full stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.